Okay, we've arrived here at the landscape and we're going to check this out, see what we can figure out the problem is. As Connie mentioned, these are eastern white pines. We have 7 of them. The one over my right shoulder is completely dead. The one that's at the end on my left shoulder is showing signs of a lot of yellowing throughout the whole tree. There's one a little bit further down on my right that's showing some yellowing, and then you have 3 that are actually quite normal looking for an eastern white pine. So taking a look at the site behind me, as far as some of the diagnostics things to look for in the landscape, nothing abnormal as far as the slope goes. They're not sitting in a depression, it's not on the side of a hill. Without doing a soil test, soil would appear to be okay because these trees did put on some size. There's some other vegetation around here that appears to be growing normally. There appears to be no problems with drainage, so it's not pooling water. Also, the sun shade requirements for this tree are met. This is an open location and not being blocked out by other overhanging shade trees, and not particularly an area that's exposed to a lot of wind, so that's not an issue. And there's been no construction damage or other major disturbances that might have caused this sort of decline with these particular trees. So what we'll have to do is get a little bit closer and take a look and see if we can kind of tease out what's actually caused this, one tree to die and the other ones to start to show some symptoms of distress.